Hey everybody, it has been an eventful 24 hours for us here in Texas. For those of you who don't know, we actually had a big thunderstorm blow through this area last night, and we got our first rain in almost 2 solid months. So very nice. You can see we have no grass. This happens every year, and it's just dead. It's gone. It's just pure mud now. The little baby girl is doing great. Aren't you, little girl? Little girl. Hey, little girl. And the rest of them are doing phenomenal. You can see Miss Daisy over there. Doing really good. Hey, Miss Daisy. Mom kind of got her with her tail. Daisy. Let's go on over there and see Miss Daisy. Michael's right here doing good. We have Mr. Donnie. Hey, Donnie. Good boy. We got Miss Clarice. And we have Stormy. Hey, Mama. Good Marie. Pretty girl. Hi, Miss Daisy. Hi, precious girl. Yeah. You looking all miserable. You rolled around in the mud. Look at you. You rolling around in the mud. Good girl. You precious girl. Want the loving. I don't blame you, girl. You're so sweet. You got your mama's nose. Her beautiful ears. Yeah. They actually don't mind their ears being rubbed a lot of times. Sometimes they do, just like all of us. But they really don't mind. Fortunately, we don't have a lot of ticks in this area of Texas. But if we did, the nice thing about doing this is you're also checking for ticks. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. Y'all have a blessed evening.